Last night I got stuck on the side of the road because of a flat tire. A very nice guy named Charles helped me, and I finally found it this morning. Bottle of soapy water. Put on here. Why don't you come up here so everybody can see this? This one's a big leak, but see how the soap makes bubbles? That helps you find it. What we need is a handful of tools. I've got a reamer and I've got my tire inserter. Then there's two types of these plugs. The black plugs are not as good. I've not had good luck with them. These, I don't know, rust colored. These are stickier. These are nastier. I hate working with these, but I've never had one fail. I've seen my dad run tires bald with these. These are a sad excuse, in my opinion. So, don't use the black ones. See what I mean about sticky? There you go, on the tool. Getting them in is the hardest part. You want it about centered in there. That's good. I always do that first because this part you start losing a bunch of air. There it is.
Sounds like you're just making a bigger hole.
I am.
Oh, is that what you wanted to do?
That's exactly what I wanted to do.
Oh.
I have to make the hole big enough to fit all of this in there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is rubber cement. Typically, you can do it with a tube, you can do it with this. The rubber cement really helps this to activate. Okay. It's good and sticky. Now,
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
it's the smell of rubber cement. Oh gosh.
Only the viewers could smell this.
Yeah, that would be pretty good.
Am I going in the wrong one? Never had this happen before.
Yep, this is bad. On a video.
There we go. Okay. Come on, here. So, you have it in like that.
Ew.
It's very ew. See, that came out pretty clean.
That looks like you ran over dog poop.
It does.
Yeah, it looks gross.
See that? That is
No
not
more
leaking.
bubbles.
So now
Whoa.
I'll go ahead and fill this up. And see, we couldn't hear this before because the air compressor was running.
You better go catch it.